Hi friend, today I discuss about the application of KVL. Right. This question is given. Solve this question with the help of Kirchhoff's voltage law. Right. Firstly, what we do some leveling this corners, leveling this point, this junction, right? A, B, E, C, and F. This is the good thing to level this, because when we take in KVL in the loop wise, then we consider this one loop and this is the one loop, second loop, right? Now, what we find here? We find here this one. What is the value of current here in this path, right? Now, we consider that this is the one loop, this is the I1 current, and this is the second loop, this is the I2 current. Why we consider this I1 and I2? Like the terminal of battery is in this direction, right? Then, according to terminal of battery, we consider this is the current I1 flowing the circuit A, B, E, and F, and according to this direction of battery, we consider this is the current I2 flowing this battery. Now, when we talk about, firstly we remove this one right now. When we talk about this current is coming here I1 and this current going this side I2. Is this both current are in opposite direction here, right? In opposite direction. So what we did? We did I1 minus I2 in this loop. Means if we find I, then I is equal to nothing but I1 minus I2, which is asked in your question, right? Now applying KVL in which loop? Loop is A, B, C, and A, B, C, and F. C and F, right? This is my loop. So we consider this. KVL means V is equal to I. We always apply this equation and this equation, right? Here is the voltage source, so we take an 80 volt equal to, what is the current here? I1. What is the resistance? 20. So 20 into I1, right? What is the current here? 40. Sorry, current here plus 40 resistance, because the current we consider here is this way, no? So in this direction, right? So 40 into I1 minus I2. Now, when we simplify this equation, then what happened? We cut this with 40, then 2 here, 1 here, and 4 here. So 4 is equal to I1 plus 2I1 minus 2I2, right? We solve this, then 4 is equal to 3I1 minus 2I2. This is our equation 1, right? Now, what about the second equation? Second equation is applying KVL in loop. Which loop? Loop is F, C, D, and E. This is our second loop, right? Now, when we solve this equation of this loop, what happens? 40 volt, V is equal to same, V is equal to IR here also, apply here, right? 40 is equal to, what happened? 40 is equal to, we consider this current direction this way, so we are going in this way, so the sign is negative here. 40 into I1 minus I2, right? And what about this 10 ohm? 10 ohm is plus 10 into I2. Now we solve this. What happened? 0 cut, and 0 cut. So what is find out with this equation? Minus 4 I1 minus I2 plus I2. When we simplify this equation, then we got that 4 is equal to minus 4 I1 plus 4 I2 plus I2, sorry. This one is I2, right? When we calculate this, then 4 is equal to minus 4 I1 plus 5 I2. This is second equation, right? From these two equations, we find that the value of I1 and I2. When we find the value of I1 and I2, then we got the value of I, which is our final required of this equation, right? This question. Now we erase this upper part so that I solve this equation. Only we left this equation only because we want this equation only right now. So erase this one. Now what is this equation? 4 is equal to 3I1 minus 2I2. This is the first equation. And what is this equation? 4 is equal to minus 4I1 plus 5I2. Second equation. Now we apply elimination method here and solve easily to get I1 and I2, right? Now what happened? We multiply this with to cut this one with 3 and multiply here with both sides with 4. What we get here? 16 is equal to 12i1 minus 8i2, right? And here is 14, 12. 12 equal to minus 12i1 plus 15i2. Now erase this equation also because we don't need this equation longer. Right. What happened here? When we solve this equation, then what is this? Is the 28, right? And we cut this one, and what is this? This is the 7i2. What is the value of i2? i2 is equal to 4 ampere. Now we got 4 ampere i2, but when we put this value in I1, either I1 or in I2, we got the value of I1. When we put this value in I1, then 4 is equal to 3I1 minus 4 into 2 into 4, 8. When this 8 is added here, then 8 plus 8 plus 4 is equal to 3I1. Then what is this? 12 is equal to 3I1. Means I1 is equal to 4 ampere. Now we know that this equation and this equation, from both equation, I1 and I2 equal to 4 ampere or 4 ampere. It means the current flow in this loop is 0 because this one and this one both loop are in balance equation. So in this loop there is no current flow through this loop.